Hi weavers! Today we are going to discuss about Amaranthus plant. Amaranthus is annual or short-lived perennial plant. It is cultivated as leafy vegetable, pseudo-cereal or ornamental plant. Few species as for seeds. It belongs to the family Amaranthaceae. There are approximately 75 species in genus Amaranthus. Amaranth will be most productive in full sun. It needs 5 to 8 hours of sunlight. This plant grows best in temperature between 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Amaranth can't tolerate cold temperatures. It grows best in well-drained, fertile, loamy soil. For soil mix, take 1 part of coco peat, 2 parts of garden soil, 1 part of organic compost like cow dung, kitchen compost or vermicompost. This proportion you have to take to grow Amaranthus plant. These plants are drought tolerant, so alternate day you have to water the plant, otherwise weekly twice you can water the plant. Fertilizer. Use organic fertilizer once in 2 weeks for these plants. It needs less fertilizer. Fungal diseases, pigweed weevil are the common pests in the Amaranthus plant. For pest control, use diluted neem oil. Mix 2 tablespoons of neem oil with 1 gallon of water and spray on the plants till they completely get wet. Spray at evenings to get good results. Normally propagated through seeds. Seeds should be sown in the depth of 1 to 2 centimeters. Amaranth is easy to care and require little maintenance. Seeds will germinate in 5 to 10 days. When seedlings are young, it is important to remove any weeds from around the plants to prevent competition. Applying a layer of mulch will help to prevent weeds and conserve soil moisture. Amaranthus plant has lot of health benefits. Amaranth grains were considered staple food in Inca, Maya and Aztec civilizations. Amaranth species meant for their leaves are different from those grown for the purpose of grains. Amaranthus tricolor and Amaranthus dubius are some of the important leafy Amaranthus which you can see in my video. Grain Amaranthus includes Amaranthus hypochondrias, Amaranthus caudatus, Amaranthus curentus. These are grown for the purpose of seeds. It is rich in phytonutrients, antioxidants, minerals and vitamins which contribute immensely to health and wellness. Rich in iron. Treat anemia. 100 grams of leaves of Amaranthus contains 29% of TRI of iron. It is a rich source of iron which is very helpful to treat anemia. Those people are suffering from anemia, they can consume these Amaranthus leaves regularly. Rich in vitamin C, boosts immunity. Fresh amaranth leaves are one of the richest sources of vitamin C. 100 grams of fresh leaves carry 70% of recommended daily intake for this vitamin. As it is rich in vitamin C, it will boost immunity and help to fight against infections. Amaranth leaves are rich in vitamin A, which can improve our eye health. They are also full of flavonoids, polyphenols, antioxidants like beta carotene, zeaxanthin and lutein. Good for bone health. As amaranth leaves have highest quantity of vitamin K and calcium, this vitamin is needed for good bone health and also plays important role in blood clotting. It is rich in B complex. Amaranth greens also contain ample amount of B complex vitamins such as folate, vitamin B6, riboflavin, thiamine and niacin. Amaranth leaves carry more potassium than that in the spinach. Control cause of birth defects. As it is rich in folate, these leaves of amaranth are good for pregnant women. Improves varicose veins. Amaranth contains countless flavonoids including lutein, which is very helpful in eliminating varicose veins condition. Boost hair health. Amaranth has rare amino acids called lysine, which is very useful for hair health. Improve cardiovascular health. Amaranth have dietary fiber that can balance cholesterol within the body by eliminating bad cholesterol from the cardiovascular system. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Shah's Garden Tech. Thank you.